Hello everyone, this is Yvette from the Kat Scrappiness Design Team. Today I'm going to be introducing the Got Coffee with Shadow Die. This beautiful die would make a wonderful focal point on one of your cards. Now let me just give you the measurements really quickly. The shadow die measures approximately 3 inches wide by, let's see, tallest point, 1 3/4 inches tall. And the words themselves at their widest point measure 2 3/4, looks like, by 1 1/2. I've gone ahead and cut out a sample of the sentiment and the shadow. And as I mentioned before, you can use this as a focal point on your card or in addition to any other sentiments you add. As you can see, the Got Coffee all comes out in one cut other than the question mark, and that comes out separately. But then you just go ahead and add them to your shadow die, or you can use them without. It's entirely up to you. I also made a card using the Got Coffee sentiment and shadow die. And I used some of the other items from the release. I used some of the pattern paper from the Cuppa Love pattern papers, and I used the Coffee Splatter 6x6 stencil to just add some little bit of splatter look to the paper. And then I added the small coffee beans small from her embellishments. Now these are kind of on the larger side. They're more of a 3D embellishment. So this is not a card I'll mail, but I do know the perfect person to hand deliver it to. If you haven't done it already, make sure to hit the subscribe and like button on the Kat Scrappiness channel. And check out the links in the description box below so you can go and see all the wonderful goodies in this coffee release. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.